In the hyper-visual and fast-paced digital economy of 2026, TikTok advertising has transitioned from a mere attention-grabbing tool into a sophisticated, full-funnel social commerce engine. For American brands and global e-commerce entrepreneurs, the platform is no longer just about going viral, it is about precision-engineered conversion powered by TikTok's advanced predictive creative AI. As of April 2026, the platform has fully integrated its smart targeting V3, which analyzes millions of micro-signals, from facial expressions and user-generated videos to real-time checkout behavior, to serve ads exactly when a user is in a high purchase intent state. High CPM keywords such as TikTok Shop Ads ROI 2026, predictive audience modeling, and attribution for social commerce attract premium advertisements from fintech giants, dropshipping automation platforms, and enterprise CRM tools like Klaviyo and Triple Whale, making this one of the most lucrative niches for digital marketing content creators in the United States. A major structural evolution in 2026 is the total dominance of live stream shopping ads. Instead of static images or standard video ads, the most successful American brands are now running 24/7 automated live streams featuring AI-generated digital twins of real influencers. These AI avatars interact with customers, answer product questions in real time, and close sales directly within the app. This seamless integration with TikTok Shop has reduced the friction between discovery and checkout to a single tap, effectively turning the entire platform into a global, interactive mall. However, to remain compliant with YouTube's deceptive practices policy, it is critical to address the volatility of TikTok metrics. While the potential for explosive growth is real, ad fatigue on TikTok happens faster than on any other platform. Promoting TikTok ads as a guaranteed millionaire maker without discussing the rigorous need for constant creative refresh, producing 5 to 10 new videos per week, and the reality of fluctuating ROAS, return on ad spend, is a direct violation of transparency standards and can lead to channel demonetization. The 2026 model for TikTok excellence also highlights the transition toward native community advertising. Traditional, high-production commercials are officially dead. The highest converting ads today are those that look and feel like organic, raw user-generated content, UGC. Brands are now utilizing Spark ads to boost authentic customer testimonials and unboxing videos rather than their own corporate messaging. For creators, this niche offers immense depth, from explaining the technical logic of the TikTok Events API 2.0 to navigating the new creator marketplace equity deals. By providing evidence-based insights into retention-based bidding and the latest search ads toggle updates, which allow brands to compete with Google for search intent, we empower businesses to dominate the digital landscape. Furthermore, the 2026 market has seen a surge in geo-fenced social pushes, where TikTok ads drive physical foot traffic to brick-and-mortar stores using real-time location data and local influencer partnerships. Ultimately, the 2026 TikTok advertising landscape represents the perfect marriage of raw entertainment and machine learning precision, ensuring that every brand, no matter how small, has the power to capture the world's attention and turn it into sustainable, scalable revenue.